How to open a Lloyds Savings Account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video presentation, if you are considering the possibility of initiating Lloyds Savings Account, you are presented with various avenues to proceed. You can opt to submit your application online by physically visiting a branch or reaching out them through phone. In this visual presentation, we aim to simplify the steps involved. In order to begin with, if you opt for the online application route, commence by navigating to the Lloyds official website. Once you've arrived there, you will be required to furnish certain particulars. Simply provide the information about yourself, such as whether you're a homeowner or a tenant, and share the insights into your professional occupation, including the details about your workplace and earnings. Conclude the process by entering your contact information, and following the steps you will promptly receive the confirmation and once your account has been successfully established. Alternatively, if you prefer the in-person approach by visiting a branch, here's what you need to do. Firstly, ensure that you bring along the valid proof of identification, such as a current photo driving license or your UK passport. Subsequently, disclose personal information like your name, date of birth, gender, marital status, nationality, and place of birth. Most of this data can be located on your passport or the driving license. Additionally, you may be asked to provide your tax identification number if you have been a tax resident in other countries over the preceding 2 years. Lastly, furnish the details regarding your monthly income after tax, which can be sourced from your P60 form. And if you decide to pursue account opening through phone, simply dial the designated hotline, the contact number, which can be found on their official website. Ensure that all of your pertinent information is readily available to facilitate a seamless process. Whether you opt for the online branch or the phone application method, initiating a Lloyds savings account is a straightforward endeavor. So feel free to select the approach that aligns best with your preference. And if you found this video to be informative, remember to engage by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing for the additional guidance and insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.